Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your IP address on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen and open the Settings app. You can also press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard to open Settings quickly. Inside Settings, look at the left side and select Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whichever connection type you are using. You will now see your active Ethernet connection. Scroll down until you find the section called IP assignment. By default, it will usually say Automatic DHCP. Next to it, click on the Edit button. A small window will appear. Change the setting from automatic to manual, then turn on the switch for IPv4. This will show text boxes where you can type in your new IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. For the IP address, you can type something like 192.168.1.50. Make sure the number you choose is not already used by another device on your network. For the subnet mask, type 255.255.2550. For gateway, type your router's IP address, often 192.168.1.1. For DNS, you can use 8.8.8.8 as the primary and 8.8.4.4 as the secondary. After entering the values, click Save. Your computer will disconnect from the network for a short moment and then reconnect with the new IP address. That is how you can quickly change your IP address on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.